Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to fix dead rails lock. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix dead rails lock. To fix your dead rails lock, for example, right here, all you need to do is Z. Click the Z on your keyboard to stick it on your train. As you can see right there. There you go. That's how you fix the lock. There. And of course, when you're doing the lock in dead rails, always leave a gap in the middle, as you can see right there, so you can get in and add flooring so you won't fall down. And not only that, if you have a sheet metal like this, for example, right here, just put it down right here, right there. Right, we're gonna place it right here. Then click on Z when you finally want it there. Then put a something on top of it like a newspaper. So when you accidentally click Z on the sheet metal, it won't fall off. And you can use the other what do you call this newspaper for the underground thingy, what do you call this, footbridge like that, something. There we go, so bridge to it so you won't fall down. So there, hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it down in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.